how to change keyboard language on Android. So first of all, get to your settings and then from here scroll down until you see the option of general management. Here you can see tap on general management. Then from here, what you're going to do is tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Since this is a Samsung phone, the default keyboard is Samsung. But if it is any other phone, then there will be the option of only keyboard settings. Simply tap on that. And then from here, you can see this is the language and types. Tap on this option. Then tap on manage input languages. After doing that, here you can see we already have a lot of downloaded languages in here. You can simply turn this toggle button on if you want to enable any of those. But we also have multiple different other languages keyboard that you can download. If you simply tap on this search icon right here, you can now search for that language just like this. Here you can see this is the language that I want. Then simply tap on this download option. And within a few seconds, the download process will successfully be completed. And just like that, here you can see this language has successfully been enabled. Now we're going to go back and simply open our keyboard. In here, you can see I have opened my keyboard. Now we'll get this globe-like icon right here. What you're going to do is simply tap on this icon. And like that, we have now successfully been switched to our other language of our keyboard on Android. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.